The wafer dual disc tech valve is designed and manufactured according to API 594 standard. Nice and compact, the valve is in wafer installation, mainly used in outlets of pipes or pumps, to avoid media reflow in pipes when the pump stops, and avoid violent hammer shocks onto the pump from great pressure differences. It is compact and light, easy to install and maintain, quick in opening and closing. The valves are suitable for outlets of pipes and pumps in water drain, fire extinguishing and heat supply systems, to avoid damages on the pipes and pumps from media reflow shocks. The springs assisting in valve place closing are made of carbon steel, stainless steel, or NI-based high-temperature alloy according to actual working conditions or users' requirements.